Hello everybody. I have to be really quiet because it's early in the morning and my sisters might still be sleeping. So this is episode 3 of, I believe. Yeah? Wait a minute. Yeah, this is episode 3 of the Obby But You're a Bird series. I have now decided that I can't just be making one series at a time, or not necessarily a series. I can't just be doing these videos only. I gotta have some diversity in my videos. So some days I might skip the series and I might not do the daily episode, and instead I'll do a different video. So yeah, today I'm thinking about playing like a tycoon game. Let me know in the comments what kinds of Roblox games I should try. Okay, so that way I'll know how to entertain you guys. Oh. Easy. So today I will probably do a tycoon game, or I'll try to find a tycoon or simulator game, not one of those copy and paste ones or something like that. Not a brain rot one. 'Cause just so you guys know, I don't like brain rot. So if you want to suggest a game, just make sure doesn't have to do with brain rot or anything like that. Oh shoot, I died. Alright, I'm gonna try to beat this level really fast. So I might have to lock it. So yeah, you guys let me know what game I should try next. Okay, here we are. What Roblox game I should try next? Maybe I should do a tutorial video or something. But first, I think I need to be more skilled in various games before doing tutorials. Oh, I can just stand on there. Okay. here before. Oh, yay! One level left. No, no, no! Okay, this is gonna be really hard. Oh, let's go. I did it. Okay. There we go. What the? Oh, okay. If you guys would like, I could. Oh. Well, now I guess this is the end of the video. So if you guys would like, I might be able to play some games other than Roblox. Like just, they have to be mobile games though, because I don't have a PC or anything like that. What the heck? Anyway, so suggest to me any cool mobile games that you guys would like. But they have to be free, and they have to be free, they have to be appropriate, and you know, like no brain and mobile games. All right. So that ends today's video. Goodbye, everybody.